If you want to get the best top-handle chainsaw according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have DeWalt TC CS6 120PT. It comes with an impressive 20-volt battery that will certainly make quick work of logs. And that 12-inch chain also works exceptionally well. It also comes with a brushless motor, which means it needs little maintenance and is ideally suited for various outdoor jobs. In addition, though, it has managed to keep it lightweight, so it doesn't feel as if it will tire you out in next to no time, with its size and power. I see this as one of the best chainsaws for those smaller jobs in and around your property. It does have some limitations with the bar length, but you should still find it easy to cut through reasonable-sized logs without too many problems. Moving on to the next at number 2, Makita XCU08Z. I've already mentioned Makita earlier, and this is yet another fantastic example of a battery-powered chainsaw. This version also comes with two 18-volt batteries, and the bar length is a perfectly reasonable 14 inches. Makita states that the battery's quality leads to it delivering 25% faster cutting power than the equivalent powered gas motor chainsaw. I like that this model comes with a lock lever that engages should an accident occur or if the bar jams. Once again, I feel this chainsaw is comfortable to hold, and I always promote that as one of the critical things when choosing a chainsaw. It is slightly heavy at almost 11 pounds, but it's not the heaviest. The number 3 position is held by Makita XCU08PT. First, even though it is powered by 2 batteries, the entire chainsaw only comes in at just over 10 pounds. That's pretty light when you consider batteries are one of the heaviest components. Also, the 2 batteries deliver tremendous power with a speed of 1,650 fpm. You should have no real problems ripping through branches due to this power. But one thing I also look at in a chainsaw is how comfortable it is to hold it. And there's no problem with this model. The front handle has a rubberized grip and is both soft and comfortable to hold. Also, the entire chainsaw feels well balanced, reducing fatigue in your arms. Lastly, I like how this chainsaw requires little in the way of maintenance, thanks to the auto-oiling mechanism. It is packed with safety features such as an electric chain brake, and you feel confident when using this particular chainsaw. Next at number 4, we have Echo CS6 I have another model from Echo, and this time it's an absolute beast known as the CS6 I say it's a beast as it comes with a 35.8 engine and a 16-inch bar, so this is the power and reach to cut through most things. But aside from the power, I also love the ignition with this model. It comes with their digital ignition system, which reduces effort and energy by around 30%. That makes things far more efficient, leading to more power being transferred to the bar. I must also mention the handle because it's ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to hold. Getting a good grip does help your confidence in using the chainsaw, so this is another bonus. Overall, the main thing I love about this chainsaw is its absolute power. You stand a good chance of making short work of any job. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Echo Top Handle Chainsaw CS271T12. Echo is a well-known and respected brand, and if you want to know the best top-handle chainsaw in their product range, then I suggest the CS271T12. I love the engine that comes with this model. Not only is it highly efficient, but it delivers ample power for most jobs. But it's also the technology in the engine that makes this version stand out. It comes with a purge bulb, which ensures the gas gets to where it needs to be to deliver maximum power. Also, I love how it comes with a pre-cleaner which prevents dirt buildup in the engine, leading to less maintenance. This model also has an anti-vibration mechanism that reduces fatigue and makes life more comfortable. But I also noticed several people state they can use this chainsaw with one hand thanks to the grip. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.